How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order a meal for breakfast.
Oh, sure. Can I get your name and your number, ma'am?
I'm Cherise and my room number is 205.
Thank you very much, Miss Charis. Can I get your order, ma'am?
I would like to have fresh pineapple juice, 3 pieces of pancake with butter, 2 slices of bread with egg, and a pot of brewed coffee, please.
For your bread, ma'am, would you like it white bread, wheat bread, or milk bread?
I want the white bread.
By the way, ma'am, would you like to try our Americano espresso drink that is prepared by the best coffee artist of Southeast Asia?
Oh wow! Yes, let me try it. So instead of brewed coffee, give me a pot of Americano coffee.
For your Americano, ma'am, would you like it to be creamy, more sugar, or less sugar?
I prefer at less sugar, please.
I will repeat your order, ma'am. You ordered fresh pineapple juice, 3 pieces of pancake with butter, 2 slices of white bread with egg, and a cup of Americano coffee with less sugar. Did I get your order right, ma'am?
Yes.
How would you like to settle your account, ma'am? Would you like it to settle with cash, debit card, credit card, or we can charge it to your guest account?
I would like to pay it through cash.
Change for how much, ma'am?
1,000 pesos.
Thank you so much, Miss Charis. Your order will be delivered to room 205 in 15 minutes. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. I am Sarah, your room service attendant. Can I come in?
Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
Where would you like me to put your breakfast, ma'am?
You can put it on the table.
Wala. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to pour the coffee for you, ma'am? Here's your coffee, ma'am. Enjoy your breakfast and just call me if you need anything.